हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज़ भूमिका फ्रॉम इंडियन क्राफ्ट्स एंड वीव्स। आज फिर से मैं कुछ ज्वेलरी के पीसेस लेकर आई हूँ जो सिल्वर लुक अलाइक में है। मेरा लास्ट जो वीडियो था उसमें भी आपने देखे होंगे पीसेस। नाउ टुडे आई हैव सम चोकर्स टू शो यू। दिस इज़ द वन, a very small and elegant beautiful choker. As you can see, it has the red and the green stones along with that small pearls. It will really give an elegant look when you wear it for some function, some events. इसको आप इंडो वेस्टर्न के साथ और ट्रेडिशनल दोनों के साथ पैरअप कर सकते हैं। एंड दिस आर द ईयरिंग्स, रियली ब्यूटिफुल डेलिकेट सेट, जिनको काफ़ी हैवी वेट पसंद नहीं है, कोई भी फंक्शन के लिए आप पहन सकते हैं इसको। एंड दीज आर वेरी ट्रेंडी पीसेस दैट आर अवेलेबल. As you all know, silver look-alike and all with silver finish is very much in trend in today's time. This is how it is. I hope it is clear to you, not getting blurred. This is how the shine is. The code for this set is 11, code 11, and it is priced at 750. In the same design, I have the other one that is in ruby. The red and magenta stones. Again, the design is same. This is how the earring is. With pearls. Again, the piece is priced at 750 and the code is 12. Both the designs that I've shown are in silver look-alike. They are not oxidized, neither they are German silver. Please make a note of this. ये डिज़ाइंस आजकल काफ़ी ट्रेंड में है मार्केट में, और इसमें ऑक्सीडाइज में और जर्मन सिल्वर में भी डिज़ाइंस, मतलब यही सेम डिज़ाइन आपको जर्मन सिल्वर में और ऑक्सीडाइज दोनों में मिलेगी, और उनका जो प्राइसिंग होता है वो काफ़ी कम होता है, राइट? बिकॉज दिस इज़ ब्रास बेस्ड ज्वेलरी. ये सिल्वर लुक अलाइक है, दैट इज़ ब्रास एक्चुअली, एंड दैट इज़ विद द सिल्वर फिनिश एंड द स्टोन्स, एज यू कैन सी, right, with beautiful designs. And they're also available at beautiful numbers, that is at 750 each. So please don't get confused, because oxidize इसमें होगा, ऐसे डिज़ाइंस में oxidize आपको काफ़ी कम रेट में मिल सकता है, but the quality again is a point. These sets are really very durable ones, very easy to maintain, and they really give a rich and elegant look even when you wear it with Indo-Westerns or traditionals or saris, whatever. One more thing I would like to mention is, if you are liking any of the piece, please take a screenshot of the same, right? So that you can place an order with the screenshot, because I'll need a screenshot of which piece you are interested in, and the piece screenshot has to be sent to my WhatsApp. I hope the shine, the look is clear to you. It has pearls. The next piece is code 13, and code 13, again we have a beautiful choker in a beautiful design with red and magenta stones. I hope it is clear. If not, please mention in the comment. Please keep commenting. This is how the earring is. Code 13, a choker that is at 1000. Next, at code 14, I have another choker that is in blue stones. The design is same. As you can see, it has the silver look-alike, the silver part, I must say the brass part with the silver finish, and the pearls, as you can see here. And again, the design is same, only there is a variation in the color, that is blue. This is code 14,000. The price is 1,000. The next piece I have is really a beautiful piece, a unique piece in green, and it's in dual tone with gold and silver finish. These all sets are brassed base. Please remember that these are silver look-alike jewelry pieces. They are famously called as replica as well, silver replica. This is how the look is. You can see the finishing of the jewel is really good. The way the stones have been fitted at the place is really good, really tightly and very fit in their own place. This beautiful set is priced just at 1,050 and the code is 15. Please keep taking the screenshot if interested. For ordering, you'll need the screenshot. You need to send me the screenshot on my WhatsApp number, which I'll be mentioning in my description as well. My WhatsApp number is 9712 666 773. The next I have is a neck piece which will completely cover your neck, again in silver look-alike. As you can see, it's a very delicate piece. Those who are only interested in having a small delicate ones, they can go for this. This is how is the design for the earring. I hope it's not getting blurred. This will give you an idea of how the finish is with the pearls, and this will be completely covering your neck completely. It's a full choker in blue and it is priced at 880, code 16. Please take the screenshot if interested. The last option that I have for today is code 17. Again, the design is same. It's in ruby. This is how the earring is. A very small and a beautiful earring. जिनको भी काफ़ी लाइट वेट, काफ़ी सिंपल, सोबर एंड एलिगेंट पीसेस पसंद है, डेलिकेट पीसेस पसंद है, उनके लिए ये ऑप्शंस बहुत ही बढ़िया है. एंड द ड्यूरेबिलिटी ऑफ दीज ऑल सेट्स इन सिल्वर लुक अलाइक इज़ रियली ग्रेट. दे आर वेरी ईजी टू मेंटेन. इसमें मेंटेन करने में आपको खाली यही करना है कि इसमें कोई परफ्यूम या पानी ऐसा कुछ लगना नहीं चाहिए. एंड एस जैसे फेमसली कहा जाता है कि ज्वेलरी एक ऐसी चीज़ है जिसको आप पहले घर से निकलते हुए लास्ट में पहनिए, और घर जब आप रिटर्न हो तब सबसे पहले आपकी ज्वेलरी रिमूव करिए. एंड ऑलवेज पुट इट कवरिंग इट विथ कॉटन इन अ बॉक्स और अ स्टोरेज बैग यू हैव फॉर इट. दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. देन आपकी कोई भी ज्वेलरी काफ़ी अच्छे लंबे टाइम तक अच्छी ही रहेगी. अगेन दिस इज कोड 17, द लास्ट पीस दैट इज़ प्राइस्ड एट 880. So these are the pieces, chokers for today. One more thing I would like to mention is these prices that I've mentioned here includes the shipping for Gujarat. The shipping for Gujarat, the delivery for Gujarat will be free anywhere in Gujarat, right? If these pieces have to be shipped anywhere outside Gujarat, the shipping charges will be according to the location, right? And that I can tell you depending on the location. You tell me, I can mention what will be the shipping charge. Again, I'm showing you the pieces once if you have missed taking the screenshot. Code 11. Code 11. 750. Code 12. Again 750. It's in ruby. Code 13. Again a choker, a big choker, that is priced at 1000. You can take the screenshot. Code 14, again a choker at 1000. This is code 15. This piece is really beautiful because it is in dual tone and it really gives a very rich look. So if you're really interested in buying this piece, then please come up soon because the pieces stock out so much easily. When the stock came up, I had almost 10 pieces in different colors in the same design. Now I just have few pieces left, hardly 2 or 3. This is one of them. For more pieces and designs, you can contact me on WhatsApp. For any more queries, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Again, my WhatsApp number is 9712 666 773. Next was code 16, a full choker in blue at 880, and code 17, full choker in ruby at 880. That is code 17. I hope you have taken the screenshots. If not, you can go through rewind the live and just go through the pieces, take the screenshots and get back to me. This is all for today. One more thing I would like to tell you, that if any one of you are interested in buying any of these pieces, please make sure that you decide fast because it will be given on first come first serve basis. Secondly, in this designs I have only few pieces left, and maybe for 1 or 2 designs these are the last, or a single piece I should say I have, and the possibility of restock is sometimes nil because there may be variation in designs every time we get the chokers. So the same design with same color may not be possible every time. And as there are wholesale orders also, so when the wholesale people are given the stock, then maybe there are lesser chances that you get the piece for you. And the bulk orders, if there will be any bulk orders for a particular design, then only some of your single orders can be adjusted in that. Otherwise the same design, same color may not be remade, right? Every time there is a change in the design. So exactly same design with the same color may not be available. So if you are really interested, please decide fast and send me the screenshot on the WhatsApp. I'll provide you all the details for payment options and everything on my WhatsApp. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.